students, welcome back to the online learning of mathematics. Let us learn lesson number 16, surface area and volume. In previous online lecture, we learned volume of cube is equal to length cube, that is L cube. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that is L multiplied by B multiplied by H. Total volume of liquid in a container is equal to volume of the container. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, which is equal to 1000 milliliter. That is 1 cubic centimeter will be equal to 1 milliliter. Today, let us solve practice set 16.1. Question number 1. Find the volume of a box if its length, breadth and height are 20 centimeters, 10.5 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Given for cuboid shaped box, length L is equal to 20 centimeter, breadth B is equal to 10.5 centimeter and height H is equal to 8 centimeter. To find volume of a box. Solution. As the box is of cuboid shape, so we will use the formula of volume of a cuboid. So volume of a box is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Let us substitute their values. So volume of a box is equal to 20 multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 1680 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of a box is 1680 cubic centimeter. Sum number 2. A cuboid shaped soap bar has volume 150 cubic centimeter. Find its thickness if its length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Given for cuboid shaped soap bar, length L is equal to 10 centimeters, breadth B is equal to 5 centimeter and volume is equal to 150 cubic centimeter. To find thickness of the soap bar, that is H. Solution. As it is cuboid shaped soap bar, so we will use the formula of volume of a cuboid, which is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Let us substitute the values. So volume given is 150. Therefore, 150 is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by H. 10 when we multiply with 5, we will get 50. Therefore, 150 is equal to 50 multiplied by H. Now, let us divide both the sides by 50. So, we get H is equal to 3. Therefore, the thickness of the soap bar is 3 centimeters. Sum number 3. How many bricks of length 25 centimeter, breadth 15 centimeter and height 10 centimeter are required to build a wall of length 6 meter, height 2.5 meter and breadth 0.5 meters? Given for cuboid shaped brick, length L1 is equal to 25 centimeters, breadth B1 is equal to 15 centimeter, height H1 is equal to 10 centimeter. For cuboid shaped wall, length L2 is equal to 6 meter, height H2 is equal to 2.5 meter, and breadth B2 is equal to 0.5 meters. To find number of bricks required. Solution: when all the bricks are arranged to build a wall, volume of all the bricks is equal to volume of the wall. Therefore, number of bricks is equal to volume of the wall divided by volume of a brick. Volume of a brick is equal to L1 multiplied by B1 multiplied by H1. Let us substitute their values. So volume of the brick is equal to 25 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 10 cubic centimeters. As length, breadth and height of a wall is given in meters, first we have to convert them into centimeters. So for the wall, length L2 is equal to 6 meter, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 100, that is 600 centimeters. As 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Height H2 given is 2.5 meters, which is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 250 centimeters. Breadth B2 is equal to 0.5 meter, which is equal to 0.5 multiplied by 100, that is 50 centimeters. Now, volume of the wall is equal to L2 multiplied by B2 multiplied by H2. Let us substitute their values. So, volume of the wall is equal to 600 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 250 cubic centimeters. Number of bricks is equal to volume of the wall divided by volume of a brick. Therefore, number of bricks is equal to 600 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 250 divided by 25 into 15 into 10, which is equal to 40 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 25, which is equal to 2000 bricks. Therefore, 2000 bricks are required to build the wall. Sum number 4. For rainwater harvesting, a tank of length 10 meters, breadth 6 meter and depth 3 meter is built. What is the capacity of the tank? How many liters of water can it hold? Given for a cuboid tank, length L is equal to 10 meter, which is equal to 1000 centimeter. Breadth B is equal to 6 meter, which is equal to 600 centimeter. Depth H is equal to 3 meter, which is equal to 300 centimeter. To find capacity of the tank and liter of water tank can hold. Solution: volume of the tank is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Let us substitute their values. Therefore, volume of the tank is equal to 1000 multiplied by 600 multiplied by 300, which is equal to 18 crore cubic centimeter. Capacity of the tank is equal to volume of the tank which is equal to 18 crore cubic centimeter. Now let us convert it to meters, as 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Therefore, we will divide it by 1000, so we will get 1,80,000 liters. Therefore, capacity of the tank is 18 crore cubic centimeter, and it can hold 1,80,000 liter of water. In next lecture, we will solve practice set 16.2. Thank you.